creme brulee Krispy Kreme donuts, anyone?
Hell yeah.
Let's go make them. Hello, OFT family. Welcome to this week's Trendy Dish. I could not wait to do this one since last week. We are doing the Crispy Krispy Kreme Donut.
Let's go! Woo!
I was going to say, shout out from the rooftops, folks. Krispy Kreme is an institution from where we are in the country, so I felt compelled to try this trend. So I'm going to do it on my flat top, but you could do it in your pan on the stove, either which way. Get you your original glaze, folks. Original glazed, okay? Original glazed. It's going to sizzle. So essentially, we are pretty much bruleeing a Krispy Kreme donut.
Do what?
Yeah. So it's going to develop a, oh my God, if you could smell this. It's like we're in a Krispy Kreme store.
It's smoking.
Yeah, I know. Oh, okay. Too early. Too early, folks. Do you smell that?
Yes.
It smells just like when you walk into the Krispy Kreme brick and mortar. And you want it to sizzle. You want it to get bruleed.
Smoking.
It is.
Let's go.
Looky there. This will only take like a few seconds. And you can certainly serve this with ice cream, fudge sauce, caramel sauce, any kind of other goodie that you want, but
Shoot, those are going to be my buns for my cheeseburger.
or buns for a cheeseburger.
Hell yeah.
I'm not going to use it as a cheeseburger, but the captain would. Okay, a few more seconds. I'm going to turn this off now. Oh, that's the wrong direction. We don't want to turn it on high. All right. You can hear it. Okay. Let's put our little... This is hot stuff. Hot stuff, hot stuff, hot stuff. All right. Oh, do you see the sugar? I am going to let it cool just a second, but I am going to try it. So, but can you hear it? All right. After I unglued it from the plate, mental note to self: don't put it on a plate. Okay.
Look at those rings, guys, around.
Look.
Other side. There you go. Look at the rings.
This is hot. All right.
Get after it. Let's go.
He wants me to burn my paws off. All right. I'm waiting for a crunch.
There it is.
Mm-hmm.
Crunchy Krispy Kreme donut.
Mm-hmm. That, my friends, is a bruleed, crispy Krispy Kreme donut. That's probably going to be my fam's one of the favorite trendy dishes that I've done. Look, it gets all crispy. One bite.
Later.
This is awesome. Try this with the kiddos. Kiddos will love it. If you love Krispy Kreme donuts, try these. Just remember, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.